Hey everybody, welcome back. It's me, Sunny K. I am in the car right now, but I had to find a time to make sure I made this video for you today. Day 3 was quite interesting, shall I say. Day 3 was a lot more irritable, I shall say. I thought and I planned for day 4 to end up being the worst day, but I wouldn't say it was my worst day. It just ended up being the day I was a lot more irritated with people and circumstances. So definitely dealt with that. Also dealt with a lower amount of energy. So my energy went from up here to down, very, very quickly. So that day, from day 2 to day 3, definitely shifted in energy. Definitely got an adequate amount of sleep, so I don't think that had anything to do with my energy level. I just think my body just went into a strict starvation, and you are going to lose a significant amount of energy naturally, because we get a lot of our energy from foods. So naturally you are going to lose those things. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick overview of how yesterday went. Definitely woke up in the morning, did my apple cider vinegar. I always do. Whether I was on the diet or not, I was doing my apple cider vinegar. Very good for daily use. Wouldn't mind making a video about all the benefits of apple cider vinegar. I always do a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons diluted in water. Sometimes I do it as a shot. This morning I did do the dilution in water. So you can do it to however much water you like, whatever's going to help you'd be able to drink the apple cider vinegar, because I know it is a hard thing for people to do. Doesn't taste the best. It's not like an exciting ice cream flavor or something like that. It's not like chocolate. But when you learn the benefits and what it does for your body, it is like chocolate. It is like candy. So you want to do it every day in your daily use, if not every other day. So definitely look up benefits to that until I do get around to making you a video for it. Also, I did skip the Himalayan sea salt flush for day 3 due to the fact that it does give you definitely the runs. So I did have runs from day 2 still, just to be honest. You're going to deal with a lot of liquidy bowel fluids, so just be prepared for that as well. So even when you are passing gas, just make sure you're passing gas, not passing liquid gas, shall I say. So definitely be careful with that. And I am out of here, friends. Short and sweet today. I just wanted to get to how it felt, what I've been doing. Still doing my gallon of water a day. I have switched to alkaline waters or spring water. So definitely look into the waters you're drinking. You'd be surprised. Some of the big name brands of waters have very bad pH levels. So learn about your pH levels. Definitely get educated on what you're supposed to be putting into your body. Be mindful. And I am going to be making videos in the future on different things we put into our body and not just food. So stick around. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you're liking this series. That way maybe in the future I'll have another series for you. Or if y'all have any suggestions, of course, I'm definitely open to suggestions. So yeah, so everybody have a wonderful day. Peace out. See you tomorrow.